Everyone, and welcome to today's video. This is a B1 level vocabulary lesson. We're continuing our unit on animals, and today we're going to be talking about birds. So what do you know about birds? Can you name any of these birds in English? Well, this is a kingfisher. It is perched on a branch. The kingfisher has strong claws. It has very colorful feathers. It has a long pointed beak to catch small fish, and it has two wings and a tail to help it fly. And which parts of the bird are these? We have tail, wings, feather, and beak. And now see if you can match the bird to its name. So whoops, didn't mean to do that. A is a hummingbird. B is a bird of paradise. C is a pair of lovebirds. D is a cockatoo. E is a rosella parrot. And F is a flamingo. So all birds have beaks, but birds do not have teeth. They use their beaks to swallow their food whole. And what do you think these birds eat? So we have a pelican, a finch, a sandpiper, and a toucan. The bird is sitting on eggs in its nest. A baby bird hatches from an egg, and a baby bird is called a chick. This bird is called the albatross. It has the longest wings in the world, and an albatross spends most of its time at sea, and it eats fish. So these birds cannot fly. Do you know their names? Okay, picture A is an ostrich. Picture B is an emu. Picture C is a kiwi. Picture D is a rhea. Picture E is a cassowary. And picture F is a penguin. Penguins cannot fly, but they can swim very well. Penguins have their babies in a colony. The wings have changed into flippers, and they spend half the time in water and half on land. Parrots are a group of birds with colorful feathers. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruit. Birds of prey eat other animals. An eagle has very sharp claws to catch prey. A falcon can hear well and it can fly very fast. And a vulture is a scavenger. It eats dead animals. So what can you see in these pictures? So we have eggs, a wing, a feather, a beak, a nest, and claws. And do you remember what these birds are called? The kingfisher, the albatross, emu, penguin, parrot, and toucan. These birds, the pelican, hummingbird, flamingo, eagle, vulture, and the bird of paradise. Now see if you can describe each of these birds. What color is its beak? And what does it eat? So this is an eagle. Its beak is yellow. It can fly. It eats other animals. This is a puffin. Its beak is orange. It can fly and it eats fish. This is a sparrow. Its beak is brown. It can fly and it eats seeds. This is a hummingbird. Its beak is black. It can fly and it eats flower nectar. And this is a cockatoo. Its beak is white. It can fly and it eats seeds. All right, now fill in the sentences below with the words from the boxes. You can pause the video and try it on your own, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Baby birds are called chicks. A bird builds a nest for its eggs. Birds all have a beak, but they do not have any teeth. And an eagle has very powerful claws to catch prey. So now see if you can make some sentences. So the emu and ostrich are birds that cannot fly. The peregrine falcon is the fastest bird. The vulture eats dead animals. And parrots usually have colorful feathers. You probably know these birds. You can find them on the farm. So we've talked about these before. So picture A would be chicken. B is the rooster. C is a goose. D is a duck. And E is a turkey. So which bird can swim very well? Well, that would be the penguin. Which bird has pink feathers and a long beak? That would be the flamingo. Which bird has the longest wings? That would be the albatross. And which bird eats other animals? That would be the eagle. So see if you can answer these true or false. And then we'll check the answers. So hummingbirds can fly backwards. That is true. An ostrich can run as fast as a horse. That is true. Penguins can drink salt water. That is true. And sometimes vultures eat so much they can't fly. That is also true. Okay, this is a quill. It is made from a feather and it is used for writing. These people use feathers from birds of paradise for decoration. And in many countries, people sleep on a pillow filled with feathers. So can you remember which birds cannot fly? The ostrich and the penguin are two. The emu also. Birds of prey, do you know? Eagles, falcons, owls. Which bird can swim very well? That's the penguin. What does a bird build to put its eggs in? That would be a nest. Which birds can you often find on a farm? Chickens, roosters, turkeys, ducks, and geese. And which bird has the longest wings is the albatross. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.